Hey guys, it's Ivy, and it's time for Walgreens Cheap Deals this week. We have a ton of freebies going on in here, guys. Some of these deals are awesome. And stay to the end because I tried to do an online candy deal and things didn't work out, but you could always change your mind. So let's get in here, guys, right now. Look at that. It is Sweetest Day coming up. And don't forget to grab your deals of the week right here, guys. I can tell when it's someone in photo because it's a photo print. Now look at the Sweetest Day goodies that they have out. So if you guys celebrate Sweetest Day, don't forget to go and grab some. Now our deal that we're going to look at right here is the Scott tissue. It is that buy one, get one 50% off. And it is also in the deals of the week, 2 for $7.50. Plus, we have a $1 off online coupon, guys. Now, that's an awesome deal to me. If they're going to shut us down, make sure you stock up, guys. That does not mean go in the store and bombard it and take everything. No, we move in moderation now, guys, okay? Now, so here we go with the Sky Tissue. It's 2 for $7.50, and you have a $1 off coupon. Okay, let's do the math on that, guys. So if it's $7.50, you're going to take that $1 off, leave you at $6.50, divide that by 2, $3.25 is your deal. So pick up 2 of those if you need tissue, guys. And stock up. That's a good stock up, okay? Now, also a good stock up is the Walgreens storage bags. It was crazy because we just had this conversation that the 88-cent ones is the better deal, guys. Even though they do have them 2 for 79 cents, which makes them 93 cents. Don't mind this math right here. I was moving too quick. But the 88-cent ones are the better deal. So what I did was I went and looked for the freezer bags because that is what I am doing. I am still harvesting out of my garden, guys. So I need freezer bags. I'm going to grab 3 freezer bags and then I'm going to get 2 of the small storage bags so that I'll have that to use for my gardening also. Now, don't forget the Scott paper towel is also on deal, 2 for $7.50. And they also gave us a coupon on that one, guys. So let's check that out. 2 for $7.50. And we have a $1 off coupon. Always open your detail up, guys. I forgot about that. And make sure that that product that you use attached to it because we always want to make sure in Walgreens that it attached. Now, this is my stock up right here, guys. Hey, stay shutting us down. Stock up on what you need, but don't bombard them. I found this clearance cart right here, guys. It had a lot of clearances on there, but some of the stuff was still pricey. You know, I'm not going to buy something like super expensive because you could literally get Alvino steel for $6.79 at a regular price. And I definitely would not be buying Walgreens facial cleaner for $7.99, okay? And then it's a couple of things right there, right? Like the age factor and hot flash patches. If you guys know anything, your girl is open to, hey, if you know something, tell me because I am flashing, baby, okay? Now, it is a lot of things in here. Now, you guys know I have an online charity for women and children displaced. And people come in or they send me messages and they do need those type of things like for yeast infections. So grab them if you need them. That's a cheap deal. I'm going to grab that. So then I will put it online and show that I have it. Guys, they also have sympathy cards for $1.99, which is also a good deal. So if you're not like me and write them all out and forget to mail them, then grab them. Now, toys are on sale too for 93 cents. So make sure if you need them that you grab them. But this freebie right here is a good one. Buy one $9.99, get one free hair vitamins. But that is not the juicy part of it right there. We have a $5 off 2 coupon. So $9.99. Whenever you see that plus sign, make sure you tap it, make it turn into a check mark. That means you claim that coupon. Then open your detail. Make sure your product that you're picking up attaches. So let's go $9.99 times 2. That's $19.98. But take that $9.99 freebie off. Then take off your $5. It's $4.99. Divide that by 2. $2.49. Guys, okay? So that is a good deal right there. Okay, now let's go over here. Look, guys, Christmas is out. Thanksgiving didn't even come. Halloween haven't even finished out, and they have Christmas out. I wish we could just stick to the holidays as they come in. Now, Vaseline. Vaseline is at $5.99, the original price. But scan your product always, and it is $4.99. And they gave us a $4 off too coupon. Okay, buy one, get one 50% off. So this is one of my great deals that I like. Okay, so let's do the deal. Let's do the math. $4.99. When you divide that by 2, one of those you're going to pay $2.49 for. So add those two numbers together. That take you to $7.48. Take your $4 off, $3.48. And they are $1.74 each, which is awesome. Now, they only had one. I'm sure people been cleaning these out. But as I looked around, I found another one. So here we go right here. I am doing a couple of men's baskets for Christmas this year, and I want to specifically get that. Now, here's some more freebies right here. The candy. It is buy one, get one free. We usually do have this deal, and it usually does print us out a coupon. So I didn't remember that, guys, until I got in the store that it gives us a coupon. So this is, I'm showing you the buy one, get one free up in here at $4.99. Plus, if you do it online, it's a couple of more offers. I originally started out doing this online, guys, until I had that mental plop on top of my head that they usually give us a coupon when these print out. So be careful, because I am going to show you the online deal, but I'm going to show, I told you I didn't get that. Now, they have candy clearances on sale. These suckers have been expensive for the longest. I mean, I don't know what's going on. Then they also have Halloween is actually 50% off, guys. So make sure if you still need your last minute Halloween stuff, get it, okay? I'm looking for that big giant skeleton that looked like he's crawling out of the ground. That's what I'm looking for right there. And I don't have it. So if you guys know where it's at, let me know. Let's look at this online deal. I want to show you this deal online of how I started doing it, but didn't end up doing it online. So I bought 4 Starbursts, buy one, get one free. So that totaled $11.98. Then I bought 4 Nerds, buy one, get one free. And then 4 Blow Pops. And those were at $9.98. Buy one, get one free. Now, I use promo code 15. That took off $5.10 because I spent $25. You could use save 20% off if you spend $60, and that's code is save 20. Then if you use pick up 20, that means you spent $45, okay? And you'll use the code pick up 20. $33.94. So my code, this code should have worked, which it kicked in. Free. Pickup fee is free. $2.88 for taxes. I paid $31.72 out of pocket. It did not, I saved $39.04. Did not give me my Walgreens cash I should have got back. So when I went in the store, I did it, guys, in store. Caution, I went all the way to the end. Still did not give me my cash. So I scrapped the deal when I got to the store, and I did it in store, guys. Don't be afraid to put your things back if it does not work. But other than that, that's a great Halloween deal. Buy one, get one free. Bye.